It's Deb's Villarese, and we're gonna make roasted rosemary butternut squash. It's so hard to be exact with the recipe because all squashes are different, and the hardest part of the recipe is cutting up the squash. But I did that, cut it in cubes, and then according to the recipe, you wanna add 2 tablespoons of olive oil, and it says 2 cloves of garlic. For me, that's just not enough. So I have about 4 cloves of garlic. It said fresh rosemary. I don't have any, but I'm gonna use the dried. 2 teaspoons, I've got a little bit more than that. Again, this is a larger piece of butternut squash. You mix it up. Now in the meantime, my stove has been preheating to 400. Add a little bit of kosher salt, if you will. Stir it up. It's gonna go in the oven and it's gonna be there for about 50 minutes. And if this turns out as well as I think it will, it may be something I serve at Thanksgiving.